The Steam Deck handheld gaming PC from Valve has been a huge hit since its launch in early 2022. Its powerful specs, comfortable design, and ability to play PC games on the go have made it a popular choice. Now, Valve has announced an upgraded OLED model of the Steam Deck featuring, well, an OLED display and other improvements. But is it worth upgrading if you already have the original Steam Deck? Let's take a look at what the OLED model brings to the table. Did you know that 73% of visitors are more likely to make their purchases soon after watching a product video? This makes it necessary to have a product demonstration or promo video for showcasing your product's potential values and benefits. At Product Video Studio, we are equipped with camera gear, tools, and most importantly, expertise to make your video captivating and engaging. Just send your products and we'll handle the rest. Contact us today to create something amazing together. Aside from the display change, the overall design and controls of the OLED Steam Deck remains the same as the original. It maintains the same comfortable ergonomic layout that makes the Steam Deck great to hold on for extended gaming session. Valve did slim down the weight slightly, with the OLED model coming in at 640 grams compared to the 669 grams on the LCD version. The weight reduction is minor but still makes the new Steam Deck a little lighter and easier to handle. For a limited time, Valve is offering an exclusive Steam Deck smoky translucent colorway only available with the OLED model. This special color variant gives the Phantom Black Steam Deck a cool translucent look and feel. It definitely makes the OLED Steam Deck stand out from its predecessor. The most notable change on the Steam Deck OLED is the display. It uses a 7.4-inch diagonal OLED panel compared to the 7-inch LCD on the original. The 1280 by 800 resolution is the same, but the OLED display adds HDR support and a wider color gamut for more vivid visuals. OLED also provides higher contrast for truer blacks and reduced motion blur thanks to its faster pixel response time. Valve says the OLED Steam Deck's peak brightness reaches 1000 nits, a significant upgrade over the LCD model's 400 nits max brightness. This results in improved visibility in bright lighting conditions. The touchscreen and polling rate has also been increased to 180Hz, enabling lower latency and better accuracy for stylus input. Overall, the OLED panel is a worthwhile upgrade for the Steam Deck. Games and media should look more vibrant and play smoothly thanks to OLED strengths. Now, under the hood, Valve has refreshed some components to boost performance. The OLED Steam Deck comes equipped with LPDDR5 RAM clocked at 6400 megatransfer per second, an upgrade from the 5500 megatransfer per second memory in the original model. The faster memory speed leads to better bandwidth for improved gaming performance. The OLED version also bumps up the display's refresh rate to 90Hz compared to 60Hz on the LCD Steam Deck. This results in smoother motion clarity and responsiveness while gaming or scrolling through the menus. Valve says it has optimized the 6nm AMD APU at the heart of the OLED Steam Deck to hit higher clock speeds than the 7nm APU in the original. Combined with the faster LPDDR5 RAM, the refreshed APU should provide better frame rates in games. Connectivity is improved as well. The OLED model comes with Wi-Fi 6E support versus Wi-Fi 5 on the previous Steam Deck. This enables higher wireless throughput and lower latency when connected to a Wi-Fi 6E router. Overall, the performance upgrades may not be massive leaps, but are meaningful improvements that enhance the gaming experience. The new OLED Steam Deck packs a 50 Wh battery, which is slightly larger than the 40 Wh battery in the LCD model. Valve estimates 3 to 12 hours of gameplay on the OLED model depending on game intensity. The increased battery capacity combined with the more efficient OLED display results in improved battery life. Now, of course, playing demanding AAA games will drain the battery quicker than lighter indie titles, but on average, users should get a bit more playtime out of the new OLED Steam Deck before needing to recharge. The OLED Steam Deck comes with a 45-watt USB-C PD 3.0 power adapter and a 2.5-meter cable, an upgrade over the 1.5-meter cable included with the original model. The longer cable makes using the Steam Deck while charging easier. While the OLED model just launched, Valve may already have plans down the pipeline for a true next-gen Steam Deck 2. When the original Steam Deck was revealed, Valve described it as the first in a new product lineup that would see iterative improvements over time. This strongly suggests successors are in development. Though Valve has shared no official timeline, speculation based on typical consumer electronic life cycles points to a Steam Deck 2 possibly arriving sometime between 2024 to 2025. This would allow a 2 to 3 year gap between generations. Now, what could a Steam Deck 2 look like? Based on the rapid pace of advancements in mobile computing, we can expect more powerful and efficient chips unlocking better performance. Now, AMD's next-gen mobile APUs built on the 5nm Zen 4 architecture could enable a big leap over the Steam Deck's Zen 2-based Aerith APU. The rumored Navi 3 RDNA 3 graphics are also a potential upgrade path. OLED is likely to remain as it provides a lot of advantages for a handheld display. However, Valve may opt for a higher resolution panel with rumors pointing to 1600p or even 4K. A variable refresh rate display could also smooth out gameplay further. For controls, Valve could retain the core design but add new options like haptic feedback in the grips and triggers. This would increase immersion in supported titles. More advanced vibration could also enhance haptics. In terms of design, weight reduction and comfort will be important. Expect further enhancements to ergonomics and balance, and Valve may also add new color options. Of course, full backward compatibility with all existing Steam Deck titles and accessories will be critical, but the Steam Deck 2 could usher in a new generation of handheld PC gaming powered by next-gen hardware. With the Steam Deck proving very successful, Valve has plenty of motivation to keep innovating with superior successors. We may get a first glimpse of what the future holds as soon as 2024. The OLED Steam Deck maintains the same pricing as the original. The 64GB eMMC storage option is no longer available, so the lineup just dots at $399 for the 256GB NVMe SSD for the LCD model. Stepping up to the OLED model, a faster 512GB NVMe SSD raises the price to $549, while the high-end 1TB option costs $649. Given the improved display, faster memory and refresh rate, and design tweaks, the OLED Steam Deck delivers good value at these price points. Existing owners may have a tougher decision determining if upgrading is worthwhile for them, but for new buyers, the OLED Steam Deck is likely justifying its price through the enhancements it brings. The Steam Deck OLED takes what was already great about the original Steam Deck and makes it even better. The OLED display is the star of the show here, providing fantastic contrast and colors for a truly premium, portable gaming experience. Performance gets a boost from faster RAM, refreshed APU, and 90Hz refresh rate support as well. Considering there's no price hike, the OLED model looks like a win all around. Upgrading from the LCD Steam Deck may come down to personal preference and of course budget, but new buyers have an easy choice between the two versions. For only $50 more than the base model, the OLED Steam Deck delivers worthwhile improvements that make the best choice for portable PC gaming as of right now.